Is the auto volume adjustment feature not working on the TikTok Lite app? If the volume changes automatically doesn't adjust as expected or the auto volume option isn't working properly, it can affect your video watching experience. In this video, I will show you how to fix auto volume adjustment on TikTok Lite app. The first thing you have to do is to go to TikTok Lite. Then here in this page, we go to profile. Then we move to three dots. So that we click on settings and privacy. Then here we will go to this page of notifications. Sorry, not here. Sorry, you have to go to accessibility. And then here in this page you will find auto video volume adjustment. You will tap here to enable this feature. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.